Stop scrolling. If you're a skilled professional outside the US or Europe, these two platforms can connect you to global companies paying in dollars. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about remote jobs, global companies hiring internationally, and career growth. Today's video is a clear, honest breakdown of these two platforms, what they are, how they work, who is eligible, and which country can apply. No hype, no fake promises, just how these platforms actually work. Please do your own research before applying to any job. The first platform is called Micro1. Micro1 is a global talent marketplace that helps companies hire pre-vetted professionals from around the world. Think of Micro1 as a bridge between skilled international talent and US global companies looking for remote workers. Micro1 focuses heavily on quality screening, not mass applications. They typically hire for roles like software engineers, AI and machine learning engineers, data scientists, product managers, designers, technical roles, and senior specialists. I want you to note that this is not a freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork. Most roles here are long-term remote contracts. Let's look at how Micro1 works. Here's the process in simple terms. You apply once on Micro1 website, you go through skills assessment and interviews. If you pass, you're added to their talent pool. Micro1 matches you with companies that need your skill set. You do not apply to hundreds of jobs. No, Micro1 brings opportunities to you after verification. So, this is Micro1's website, and the website is micro1.ai. They focus on data engine, intelligence, research solutions for AI labs, for government, for enterprises, for robotic. It's end-to-end human data engine, expert-level human data for training and improving frontier foundation modules. So this is not a child's play. This is for expert level, people with 2+ years experience. Okay. So if you want to start working for them, it's not like the traditional way of applying for jobs. No, you're going to have to sign up, pass some assessment. The jobs they have open currently, that is still open until the end of the month. You can see them here, lots of job openings, but you cannot just apply to these jobs. Like I mentioned, you need to pass the assessment. How it works is that you create your free account. Account is free. You are not paying any money to apply. You create your free account, you define your skills. You need to have skills. These are not entry-level jobs. You take AI interview, then you apply for relevant roles. Yes, you need to pass the assessment. I started my application. I started registering. You can either sign up with your email address or Google. Also, before you allow access to your Google account, make sure you trust that platform. Okay. Once you sign up or log in, you're going to start with uploading your resume. You drag and drop or click to upload your resume. It's quite a long process and you have to do it. If you really want to start earning from this platform, you need to take your time and complete this process. Once it is completed, they will start matching you with companies hiring remotely from Silicon Valley. In order to prove to you guys that this platform is legit, there's nothing scam about it, I went ahead to check them out on Trustpilot. You can see the reviews here. Based on review created here, it says reviewers overwhelmingly had a great experience with this company. Consumers consistently praise the user-friendly experience, highlighting the smooth, professional, and efficient process. People appreciate the integration of AI in interviews, particularly noting how it removes anxiety and feels like a natural conversation. The clarity and precision of the questions, along with the supportive feedback, are frequently mentioned are positive aspects. Customers value the AI's ability to understand and summarize responses accurately. You can go ahead and read these reviews for yourself. This is a verified user and was reviewed 6 days ago. Micro1 makes remote work easy. I really enjoy the way Micro1 has enabled AI interviews into the hiring and onboarding process. Ready for the interview? Great start now. It takes some time to match you with projects, but it's not a fake job portal, and they do pay. There are a lot of jobs to train AI related to many fields. The interviews are always with an AI assistant. Can you see that? They have 4.7 excellent star reviews, 3,000 reviews so far. This was reviewed 3 days ago. This one, yeah, even though some people are not happy that it is AI interview, they wanted a human interview. But yeah, it's a win-win. It's not everyone that will be satisfied with some things. So go through the review, you see some people from your country have already reviewed this platform, and which means they've already started earning from this platform. Payments are typically made in USD, depending on the contract. Let's look at eligibility. To be eligible for Micro1, you usually need strong professional experience. Yes, I'm afraid you need to be experienced for this one. Proven technical or specialized skills, ability to work remotely, good communication skills, English proficiency. This platform is best for mid-level to senior professionals, not beginners. For eligible countries, Micro1 accepts talent from many countries, including but not limited to Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, India, Pakistan, Philippines, Brazil, Mexico, Eastern Europe, Latin America, and many other regions. There is no US visa required because roles are fully remote. If this kind of content helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future remote job updates. That leads us to number 2 platform. Now, let's talk about Turing. Turing is a well-known global remote hiring platform that connects companies, especially US tech companies, with remote engineers and professionals worldwide. Turing uses AI-based matching to connect talent with roles that fit their experience. Turing is especially popular for software engineers, front-end and back-end developers, mobile app developers, DevOps engineers, data engineers, AI and machine learning professionals. Again, this is not freelancing. Most roles are full-time or long-term remote contracts. Here's how Turing works. You create a profile, you complete technical tests and evaluations. Then Turing verifies your skills. Their system matches you with companies. Once matched, you work remotely. I love remote work, guys. That's why I always talk about it. Once you're matched, you start working remotely and you're paid in USD. Turing handles contracts and payments. You work from your country, no relocation required. This is Turing.com. That's the website. So to get the job, you also need to register. Turing works with frontier labs and enterprises to close the gap between module training and real-world deployment, turning research progress into practical intelligence. And they partner with companies like Anthropic, Snowflake, Character.ai, NVIDIA, Augment Code, Gemini, and more. To get started, click on Login for talent. Because I'm new to the website, it will take you to this website. It will take you to this interface where you have to sign up using either your email address and password or sign up with Google. I like to sign up with Google because it's quite easy. So once you're done signing up using your Google account, it's going to send you this email. Hi, thank you for signing up to work with Turing. We're very excited to have you aboard. What's next? You complete your profile. It takes 1 minute after uploading resume. Express your interest in roles that match your experience. Passion takes 1 minute. It brings you here. All you have to do here is to upload or drag and drop your resume. You need to have a resume to continue these steps. But if you don't have a resume yet, which I do not encourage you to skip, alright? Because of this video, I'm going to skip it. Do not skip this part if you're actually looking for a job. If you want to land a job and start earning in 2026, do not skip this part. So I'll skip for now. It says uploading your resume will speed up your onboarding process and it will facilitate finding the right personalized jobs for you. We highly recommend providing at least one to enhance your experience. So I'll continue, but I'll still go back. So this is it. If I had uploaded a resume, it would have auto-filled. my information instead of me having to fill it again. But there's still an opportunity for you to upload it here. If you upload it, it will just autofill your information. For the sake of this video, no, I'm not going to fill those information here. So I'll just search for a country here. So I searched +234, which is Nigeria country's code. Nigeria country's code. So once you go there, it's going to show you US numbers, US states. You're going to have to delete that one and click on +2, whatever your country code is, to be able to find your country. Then you add your phone number. I just add a random phone number like that. Then you fill in your name, country of residence, select your country. I always like to use Nigeria because most of you in Nigeria argue a lot about when something is working, you still argue. So it works, it accepts Nigerians. Put your last name, country of residence is optional. You can put it Nigeria and put in Nigeria for this tutorial. Then your expected annual earnings, which is optional. You can leave it open. It says the rate you provide here is just a reference point, or you can update it later. If you're well experienced, you can actually put an expected annual earnings that you know, right? But if you're not, you can leave this option empty. So that's it. I will not continue to the next page. This one we're doing is just basic information. You fill in education, skills and languages, work experience, professional profiles, LinkedIn, okay, polished work, profile summary. If you have it on your CV, upload your CV, all the information will just fill itself. Let's also look at eligibility. To qualify for Turing, you typically need strong coding or technical skills, professional experience, usually 2+ years, ability to pass technical assessments, reliable internet connection, which is paramount, good English communication. Turing is not beginner friendly, I must say. It's designed for experienced professionals. For countries eligible to work with Turing, Turing hires from over 100 countries, including Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Philippines, Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, Egypt, Kenya, Ghana, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Latin America, as long as you can work remotely and pass assessments. Location is not a barrier. Let's do a quick comparison. Micro1 has smaller talent pool and they are very selective with fewer applications but more matchings. While Turing, on the other hand, has larger platform, more frequent assessments, more roles available. Both platforms pay in USD and higher globally, and they both focus on skill, not nationality. If you want more verified remote companies, global hiring platforms, and realistic career advice, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and check the description for links to the websites mentioned in the video so you can sign up if you have the experience and the skill set to start working. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.